All right. Day 4.
Yeah. We put a GoPro on thing.
Yeah, okay. Video to be shown later, or in sync.
Today we're taking a different route. And it's much cooler tonight.
Oh.
So much cooler. Like, why am I even wearing a tank top right now? It's ridiculous.
This way, this way.
It's much quieter around here today.
Yeah.
So I'm going to test this out. I'm going to test it out, how it's going to be if I don't talk. You guys always tell me I talk too much.
I can't show you the cam because she squatted there.
In a post. Oh shit! See one bend of this bottle, the water comes out, right?
Oh. Oh, you know what tonight is?
What?
Lawn bowling night.
Nobody's there though.
Oh, they're probably finished up. They're partying in the clubhouse.
Oh my gosh, these people know how to party. We are so missing out. And maybe we're the fuddy-duddies now.
Party at the lawn bowling clubhouse.
Dave's questions, or if he wants me to pipe up on a subject, I will.
Because supposedly I interrupt her whenever she's talking. How was that? I was explaining, mansplaining. Oh, lights are going. Lights are going out. It's getting serious in there. What do you think they're up to?
Would you prefer us to put more light on us? Because it's pretty dark, the videos.
Yeah, because it's at night.
Really sure, huh?
You get some street lights.
Okay, we're walking all the way to Megan's high school.
Mm-hmm.
Gonna be a trek.
Look.
Let her dog. Jesus.
Well, now she wants a dog. She doesn't dog. She's not a cuddler. She's not a fetcher. Me, she'll give me like 1 or 2 maybe. And it's been a while. That's only when she's been when I've been gone all day at work. What else doesn't she do? The only thing she does is play keep away. Oh, some of the straps came off.
She does not fetch.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh, where's your GoPro?
It's on her belly. Oh. So the straps aren't the greatest. I'm going to have to rethink.
Did that come with your package that came with everything?
Yeah, it's facing backwards. We're going to get coochie shots. Oh, yeah, I put it that way backwards. It was my fault right from the beginning. Oh, well. Okay, so maybe no dog cam this time. I put it backwards. Silly me. Silly daddy. Come on.
I think your audience is young. I'll tell you right now, your audience is not young. I mean, the 3 people that watch this.
Yeah.
Being your daughters and me.
So they're young. The average age is probably
26.
26 plus 50.
Oh, you're adding
14
it up.
is 40. This is 30 something. 31. Oh yeah, we'd get a good video of her peeing, I guess.
Oh my gosh, yes. Gross.
Yeah.
You have to like go to those people who like these videos.
Into the golden showers and stuff. Pervs are gonna perv. Pervs be perving.
But you know, after the 4th day of walking, I do think I have been helping my stamina because I haven't shortness of breath. No.
Mm-hmm. And when was the first walk? That was day 4. So Monday. Yeah.
Like usually I get really winded. So sometimes getting up from bed I get winded.
And we got someone's put some stuff out for free. Anyone needs it? Graham Road.
Oh my god, this water bottle's got a clip to it.
What? Probably could put that on the
Yeah.
put it on the.
You want to put it there?
Can you put it? Oh, it'll hold. I'll just put it in between the.
Yep.
Yeah. Well, that dishwasher was there this morning. At least. Oh yeah, maybe that's more meant for like your belt, probably.
That's what I meant.
Yeah.
Yeah, I was looking for a belt when I said that. I don't have a belt buckle. Oh, I do have a belt buckle. Never mind.
Oh, no.
When we get to our halfway stop,
Yep.
we can give her some water.
Yeah. See if she has. Ooh. Okay. So we got a bar. Where was this when we needed one?
Exactly where it needed to be. How many barbecues have you gone? I've gone through
3.
Lies.
4.
Since we've been together here.
Spring Hollow.
No, that wasn't the start. We had one on Pepperwood.
We did?
We haven't.
I don't remember it being one having.
Spring Hollow.
So there's 2 then. Then Core Greenwood. And then.
And 2, this new house.
Yeah. So
So 5.
5 in how many years?
Oh my gosh. Well, one of them lasted 2 years.
Which one?
The one before this new one.
Oh, it lasted longer than that.
3 years, sorry.
We've been here 7 years and then we got it our 2nd year. Oh, okay, hold on. Okay.
I didn't bring a bag.
I brought bags.
Oh, thank God.
Okay, but you gotta
Okay, huh?
and hold her. Because I knew we weren't going the other way and I knew there was some places. Okay, I'm gonna just run quickly to the garbage over here. I'll be right back. Oh. In the garbage. Oh, they didn't wait for me. Oh my God. I don't know what she's been telling you, but it's all lies.
Yeah. You want water? Yeah. Want water?
Oh,
No?
no, no. Okay.
Wow, you wasted the whole bottle. Just like, she's just so excited.
Yeah. Well, she doesn't even really drink right away when we get home.
Yeah. She wants a TREAT.
Yeah. Someone.
Did you get the GoPro off it?
No, it's still on there. So, okay. So we got maybe a clip for the German viewers with the shyster.
Sometimes David doesn't realize when he's racist.
Stereotyping.
Yes, that's what he does a lot. But you should hear his mom.
See, now she's calming down. She's not
Right?
right around.
Right after Larry's house.
Okay, we're gonna try and keep it under 15 minutes. We'll limit it into 15 minutes, I think.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Are you talking for her benefit or mine?
No, the video.
Oh, okay.
No, we're slowly increasing lengths and.
Oh my God, that garbage needs fixed.
Yeah.
Where are my tax dollars going?
Got to be the lowest tax house we've lived in.
Oh my gosh, yes.
Yeah, because like it's just over 3,000.
Just over.
Yeah.
No, wait, no. Spring Hollow.
Well, yeah.
2.
Oh, it was, but that was.
But that was in.
How many? 2000. Yeah, 2001 to
2008.
2008. So. Yeah.
Or Greenwood was almost 6 grand.
Yeah, that was just because we live close to the river.
Well, yeah, we lived in a, what's it called? Affluential neighborhood.
We had fancy street lights.
Yeah. Kind where they had like lights in your driveway, like in your cement.
Some people.
driveway.
Yeah.
I think we had it too, but ours was busted.
No, I don't think we had it. We never had lights. It was all.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
I think you're wrong, but but we love that house. I love that house.
It was a big house.
Want to move. But then Natalie was going to university, and I wanted to be closer to her, so she was going to Toronto, and she's been there ever since. We should have still lived in Windsor. But once we left, his company started going to shit.
Yeah, that seems to be the case. Kuntz did the same. Enneagram did the same. I got kind of laid off from Siemens, but when
then it went to shit.
Yeah, when I did quit, while I was going, they laid me off because they were starting to go to shit.
Yeah, they were.
Yeah. So, hey.
Who were you running after?
I don't know if she's seen him. Didn't think she was going to do that.
I mean, tell me. I want the opinion. Comment, please. Do you think she should be on a shorter leash or a longer leash?
I got it wrapped up pretty good.
Yeah, but it's too long.
Well,
she's a big dog. I think we need her on a shorter leash.
Well,
teach her to not pull someone. Oh my God! I've never seen the parking lot this empty before.
What she's talking? The parking lot to the arena and baseball diamond.
Yeah, the hockey.
Singular.
In Canada, they play hockey 365. Okay.
I think they melt the ice every year in the summertime.
Wait, they play floor hockey or something?
I don't know what they do, but I don't think they keep the ice running. Or else we'd see lots of snow outside. There's snowbanks from them cleaning the ice.
Okay, Vera's in a league, and she plays in the summer too. So.
There are, yeah. Not everyone does, but this, I think they do.
Okay, maybe in the next video we'll have properly GoPro.
Yeah, I can figure it out. I think I put it on backwards and Maybe I need to look at a different harness.
Yeah, maybe put her on a shorter lead.
It has nothing to do with the lead. This is like belly cam now. It's on her belly.
Oh my god.
Yeah. Oh. I think as I tried to. I think as soon as I tried to get it tight on her, and the one set of lead, the straps just are in a stupid area.
She needs her own OnlyFans. OnlyFans.
Oh, I switched. Yeah. Maybe at the lawn bowling, they shut her down and they're gone back to someone's house with a hot tub and.
Honestly, I don't think I'm successful in shutting up.
No, I don't think so either.
Because it gets me going.
Don't tell me what to do. I didn't tell you to do it, by the way. You said you were going to do that yourself.
Yes, because I hear myself talking. Oh my god, when does this lady shut up? You should put it on.
Come on.
But I think even Thea is moving better now. Like she's a young buck.
She's a puppy again. Thea is how old?
9 years old.
9 years old.